Hello everyone, today I would like to do a speed comparison between the iPhone 7, the one on iOS 12 official, and the one on iOS 15.1.2. Let's see which one perform better. And one more thing, is iOS 15 slow down your older iPhone, especially the iPhone 7? Now let's go ahead and get started. According to what I have tested, you can see on iOS 15.7.2 is much better. I didn't expect the performance to be better on iOS 15, but actually it is very good. Now let's go ahead and check on Geekbench score. I have already tested before. You can see here the score is not much different, but you can see the result from 15.7.2. They are better. And thanks for watching, and that's it, and I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and then I will see you guys in the next one.